As the king of this village, I'm glad to show you something classy on a Labor Day holiday. This is the little flower of yellow commonly found in stories and tales, which was even put into J. Joe's lyrics, who is the most famous bard of the Romantic era. Now I'm going to visit Lord Ludwig again. His wife, Lady Guifang, is picking fresh beans early for lunch for me. Indeed, she seems to have expected when I would come and why, just by her daughter, Miss Schufen, at home. Oh, dear Miss Schufen, only after 1,000 entreaties does she appear, her face half hidden behind a delicate hand, graceful. After arranging me in a chair in accordance with etiquette for receiving kings, Lord Ludwig began to prepare for the agricultural work of his fiefdom. Wait, what is that? I can't believe it! Just like King Arthur pulled out Excalibur, the sword in the stone, I, Zhang III, King of Hobbits, picked up Demeter, the sword on the floor. With this sword of greens and harvest, I will supervise the agriculture of this village. Lord Ludwig is hands-on and self-made landlord. He has done his job efficiently, even without farmhands or my supervision. I'll take a look at the other guys.
这上的中的，
3个人。
是我3个儿子。
对，我也好好教我的。
是的，
对。
养啊，小养这还搞啥呀？
麻烦您。
啊，种子种到秸里面，不是直接种到地里啊？啊。
These skilled farmers seem not to require me to supervise them in the fields. Moreover, as a land neighboring king, I feel out of place in such a busy work atmosphere. Maybe my talents can be put to better use in Lady Guifang's garden. Every Hobbitish king carries a gardener's shovel in his knapsack. Near lunchtime, the neighbor's boy is being asked to go home to have lunch by his mother. Lady Guifang is trying to keep her guest to stay in a very Hobbitish way. According to the tradition of Hobbiton, if kids come uninvited can play well with the kids of the host. They have to guess right, especially when given snacks and beverages, the symbol of guest right in Hobbiton. That means they're welcome. After lunch, Lord Ludwig began to count his crop seeds. The number reflects the scale of his fief. 800 tons, 900 tons. People often say that we feel one worry when we're starving. We feel countless worries when stuffed. Anyway, most people's feelings of unnecessary worries do not last long, because their stomachs soon go empty again. The most interesting part is that you get enough to eat because of laborers. You have this long holiday every year because of laborers. Therefore, you thank God, you thank Jade Emperor, you thank Buddha or whoever else, but not laborers. Why? Let me think. Oh, because you're also a hard-working laborer, right? Then say thank you to yourself. Happy Labor's Holiday to you all, ladies and gentlemen.